Peanuts, often referred to as groundnuts, are among the most versatile and widely consumed crops in the world. They serve as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a rich source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Beyond their nutritional value, peanuts are a cornerstone in agriculture and the global economy. Major producers like China, India, and the United States rely heavily on peanuts for their agricultural exports. They play a crucial role in the diets and livelihoods of millions worldwide. Peanuts are incredibly adaptable, with applications spanning far beyond a simple snack. They are transformed into peanut butter, confections, and oil, while their byproducts such as peanut shells and cake find uses in animal feed, fertilizers, and even industrial materials. This video will unveil the fascinating journey of peanuts from the fields to the factory, where they are processed into the golden elixir known as peanut oil. To watch similar good videos, you can subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell. The journey of peanuts begins with the careful selection and preparation of the land. Sandy, well-drained soil is the ideal medium for peanut cultivation, as it ensures proper aeration and drainage. Peanuts thrive in warm climates with adequate sunlight and consistent rainfall. Regions with temperatures ranging between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius provide the perfect environment for their growth. Preparing the land involves several critical steps. Farmers first clear the area of weeds and debris, followed by plowing to loosen the soil and improve its structure. The soil is then leveled to facilitate uniform planting and irrigation. Modern farming often employs machinery to make this process efficient and consistent, ensuring the land is ready for the delicate task of planting peanut seeds. The next step is planting, where the choice of seed variety plays a pivotal role. High-yield and disease-resistant peanut varieties are selected based on the region's climate and soil conditions. The seeds are sown at precise depths, typically 5-7 centimeters, and spaced adequately to allow for proper growth and air circulation. Planting usually occurs during the warmer months, aligning with the rainy season in many regions. For large-scale farming, seed drills and mechanized planters are used to optimize efficiency and precision. This machinery ensures consistent spacing and depth, critical factors that directly impact the overall yield. Peanut plants have a unique growth pattern. After sprouting, their roots anchor firmly into the soil, while the plant produces yellow flowers above ground. These flowers eventually peg downward, forming peanut pods underground. This fascinating growth process requires meticulous care to ensure healthy development. Weed control and pest management are essential during this phase. Farmers often employ herbicides or manual weeding to keep the fields clean. Additionally, pests like aphids and leafhoppers are monitored closely to prevent crop damage. Proper irrigation is vital, especially during flowering and pegging, to provide the moisture needed for pod development. Fertilization, particularly with calcium and nitrogen, supports robust plant growth and high-quality peanut yields. Through careful cultivation and maintenance, peanut plants mature into a crop ready for harvesting. Harvesting peanuts requires careful timing to ensure the best yield and quality. A clear sign of maturity is the yellowing and shedding of the plant's leaves. Additionally, the peanut pods themselves should appear firm, with a slightly rough outer shell. Farmers often check the inside of the shell. If the veins are darkened and the kernels are plump, the peanuts are ready for harvest. The harvesting time frame varies depending on the variety of peanut being grown. Most peanuts reach maturity within 120 to 160 days after planting. Factors like weather conditions and regional climate can slightly influence this timeline, but farmers rely on close observation of the crop to determine the optimal moment to begin harvesting. The method of harvesting peanuts has evolved significantly over time. Traditional techniques involve manual labor, where farmers would use simple tools to uproot the plants and extract the pods. While this method is still practiced in smaller farms, it is labor-intensive and time-consuming. Modern machinery has revolutionized the peanut harvesting process. A peanut digger is first used to lift the plants from the soil. This machine cuts the roots and gently shakes off excess dirt, leaving the pods attached to the plant. The plants are then inverted so that the peanut pods face upward, allowing them to dry in the sun for a few days. After drying, a combine harvester is used to separate the pods from the plant efficiently. This multi-step process ensures that the peanuts are collected with minimal damage and maximum yield. Once harvested, peanuts undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove dirt, stones, and other debris. In large-scale operations, this is achieved using air blowers and vibrating screens. The air blowers separate lighter debris like leaves, while the screens sift out heavier impurities such as stones and clumps of soil. This step is critical to ensuring that only high-quality peanuts proceed to the drying stage. Advanced cleaning systems in processing plants are capable of handling large volumes of peanuts, making the process both efficient and reliable. Drying is one of the most important steps in preserving the quality of harvested peanuts. Freshly harvested peanuts contain a high moisture content, which makes them prone to spoilage and fungal growth. Drying reduces the moisture level to an optimal range of 8 to 10%, ensuring that the peanuts remain safe for storage and further processing. Traditional drying methods involve spreading the peanuts on the ground and exposing them to sunlight for several days. This method, while cost-effective, can be influenced by weather conditions and is labor-intensive. In contrast, industrial drying techniques use specialized dryers that maintain consistent temperature and airflow, allowing peanuts to dry more quickly and uniformly. Properly cleaned and dried peanuts are now ready to be transported to processing facilities, where they will undergo further transformation into products like peanut oil. This meticulous preparation ensures the quality and safety of the final product while maximizing the value of the crop. Upon arrival at the processing facility, peanuts are sorted to ensure only the highest quality kernels are used. This sorting process involves categorizing peanuts by size, quality, and intended use. Advanced machinery such as gravity separators and optical sorters are employed for precision sorting. These systems efficiently remove any foreign materials and segregate the peanuts for further processing. Once sorted, the peanuts undergo shelling, a critical step to separate the kernels from their hard shells. Shelling machines use rollers or rotating drums to crack the shells, while airflow systems and sieves separate the kernels from the broken shell fragments. The result is a collection of clean kernels ready for inspection and grading. After shelling, the peanuts are graded based on size, shape, and overall quality. Large, uniformly shaped peanuts are often designated for premium uses, while smaller or irregular kernels may be processed for oil extraction. Inspection systems, both manual and automated, ensure that defective kernels, those with discoloration, mold, or physical damage, are removed from the batch. This rigorous quality control process guarantees that only the best kernels proceed to the next stage, maintaining the integrity of the final product, whether it's roasted peanuts or peanut oil. Some peanuts are roasted before oil extraction to enhance their flavor profile and aroma. Roasting can be performed using two main methods: dry roasting, which uses hot air, or oil roasting, which submerges the peanuts in heated oil. Dry roasting is often preferred for oil production, as it maintains the purity of the final oil. The roasting step is optional and depends on the desired characteristics of the final product. For instance, roasted peanuts produce oil with a richer, nuttier flavor, while raw peanuts yield a more neutral-tasting oil. To prepare peanuts for oil extraction, they are crushed or ground into a fine paste. This step increases the surface area, making it easier to extract the oil. The paste is often gently heated to improve the oil yield, as heat reduces the viscosity of the oil and facilitates its separation from the solids. Mechanical pressing is the most common method for extracting peanut oil. This process involves using screw presses to apply pressure to the peanut paste, forcing the oil out. Depending on the desired quality, the process may employ either cold pressing or hot pressing. Cold pressing uses minimal heat to preserve the oil's natural nutrients and flavor. Hot pressing involves higher temperatures, which can increase yield but may slightly alter the oil's flavor and nutritional content. For peanuts with residual oil, after mechanical pressing, solvent extraction is used to maximize oil recovery. This method involves mixing the leftover peanut cake with a food-safe solvent, typically hexane, which dissolves the remaining oil. The solvent is then evaporated, leaving behind pure oil. The extracted oil undergoes additional refining to ensure it meets safety and quality standards for consumption. Refining is the final step to produce food-grade peanut oil. The process includes several stages. Degumming removes gums and phospholipids that can affect oil clarity and stability. Neutralization neutralizes free fatty acids to prevent rancidity. Bleaching filters out pigments and impurities, resulting in a lighter-colored oil. Deodorization uses steam to eliminate unwanted odors and flavors, ensuring a neutral and pleasant taste. The refined oil is then filtered, packaged, and tested to meet stringent food safety standards before being shipped to markets or used in food production. This meticulous process transforms raw peanuts into the golden, versatile product known as peanut oil, ready to enrich countless recipes and products worldwide. Peanut cake is a significant byproduct of the oil extraction process, comprising the solid material left after the oil has been pressed out of the peanuts. Rich in protein, peanut cake is highly valued in the agricultural sector as a nutritious ingredient for animal feed. It provides essential nutrients for livestock, promoting healthier and more productive animals. Beyond its role in feed, peanut cake also has applications in organic farming. It is often used as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil with nitrogen and other nutrients, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to chemical fertilizers. Peanut shells, another byproduct of processing, have found innovative uses in various industries. They are often converted into biofuel, offering a sustainable energy source. Additionally, peanut shells are used in the production of particle board, abrasives, and other industrial materials, showcasing their versatility. Peanut skins, often discarded during processing, are a rich source of antioxidants. These antioxidants are extracted and used in the food and pharmaceutical industries for their health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Once refined, peanut oil is packaged to suit a variety of markets and consumers. It is typically stored in bottles for household use, cans for commercial kitchens, and bulk containers for industrial clients. Modern packaging techniques ensure the oil remains safe, fresh, and free from contamination. Packaging materials are designed to block light and air, which helps to extend the shelf life of the oil. Distribution is a critical phase in the peanut oil supply chain. Packaged oil is transported to retail markets, where it becomes accessible to consumers and to industrial clients for use in food production and manufacturing. Efficient logistics ensure that peanut oil reaches its destination in perfect condition, ready to be utilized across diverse applications. From humble beginnings in the soil to their transformation into peanut oil and byproducts, peanuts undergo a remarkable journey that reflects the power of innovation and human ingenuity. The process highlights the importance of efficient farming, advanced processing techniques, and sustainable practices in creating a product that impacts daily life worldwide. As we enjoy the benefits of peanuts, whether as a snack, in cooking, or through their industrial applications, it's worth pausing to appreciate the intricate journey that brings them to us. Peanuts are more than just a crop. They're a testament to agriculture's role in supporting economies, nurturing the environment, and enriching lives. To watch similar good videos, you can subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell.